Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back on a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix could not play video issue on your TikTok account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. So if you're unable to play a video on TikTok, or if you're unable to use your TikTok account, then what you can do is, the first reason might be your internet connection. So for that, head over to your settings application and then check for network and internet. Once you're on this page, check whether you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection or not. So if you're not connected to an internet service, then might be one of the reasons why you're unable to see the videos on TikTok. In case you're already connected to a internet service, then you can refresh it by turning it off for 20 seconds, and after that, now this might be able to fix the issue. So after doing this as well, if you're still unable to fix it, then the other thing what you can do is you can simply clear cache and storage for TikTok. For that, you need to long press on your TikTok application, click on app info, and after that you'll be taken to app info page where you'll need to click on storage and cache. Once you do this, you need to click on clear cache as well as clear storage. So keeping in mind, if you click on clear storage or data, this is going to log you out of your account. So you need to make sure that you already know your login credential. So once you've done this, you need to head back to the same page and click on permission. Now make sure that all of these features are enabled, and after you've done this, you might be able to fix it. In spite of clearing your cache as well as checking your internet connection, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can check for the update. For that, you need to open up your Play Store application and then type in TikTok. And as you type in TikTok on the other page, if you see update instead of open, which means that the update is available and you'll need to update the application for the latest features. After updating your application, you might be able to fix it. If not, then you can try restarting your device or checking the server of the TikTok. These were the method on how you can fix could not play video issue on TikTok application. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.